Hello and welcome to Not Just Disney. You join us on board the Disney Magic cruise ship here in the English Channel, where we're on a UK staycation cruise. And this is the magical location for our next UK National Lottery scratch card reveal video. So we're at the furthest point that we can get to as passengers, with a view over the crew rest area. And there we are right at the bow, and there's the English Channel ahead of us. Now, I did want to scratch the cards off here, but the problem we're going to have is that it's incredibly windy and I need to hold the card, do the scratching and hold the camera. So I'm going to have to try and work out the best way of managing this, as well as avoiding lots of copyrighted music that's playing in the background constantly on board. So it was far too windy on the upper deck, so we've come down to 4, which is the promenade deck, where you have the jogging route, 3 laps equals a mile. And this says no people, and there's no wind, or not so much wind. So let's get this scratch card underway. First item is a key, when we were looking for the cross fingers. Gold. Nope. Nope, last chance on this card. Nothing on our first card. Okay, our second card. No. No again. No. 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 And the last chance on our second card. No. Nothing from 2 cards. Let's go on to card number 3, which is card 104. Game 1. Nope. Nope. No. 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 And nothing from our third card either. I must say, I was hoping for some Disney magic by being on board the ship, but it doesn't seem to be rubbing off. Okay, card number 5, which is our 4th card. Not looking good on this one either. Well, we're consistent. Nothing again. Game 6. Nothing again. So we only have 1 card remaining. It's card 106. Can we get some Disney magic from this final card? Five chances. 4 chances. 3 chances. 2 chances. 1 chance. Game 6 on our 5th card. Can that salvage the day, or have we had a clean sweep of 30 chances to win and nothing won? And it is a stack of money, so we've done it. 30 possible chances to win and not a penny won. Well, very disappointing here on board the Disney Magic. So all that really remains for me to say is thank you for watching. Rather disappointing outcome. I was hoping that being on board the cruise ship would have that extra magical effect and it would at least win something, but alas, today it was nothing. All that remains for me to say then is thank you for watching, and we look forward to you seeing us again very soon here on Not Just Disney. Bye for now.